Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I'm gonna do two little things, like pretty much quick and easy. So I got these this lampshade, thingamabob. Obviously, I've had it for a while. There's like a few like bits of rips in it and that, but that's gonna be covered because what I'm gonna be doing is I went to Poundland the other day, and I've been wanting to get some feathers and put some feathers around it so it looks like a cloud type of thing, but every time I've gone into Poundland, they've never had them. They've always had the pink ones, and I don't fancy putting it in pink. So, yeah. So, I've got like 4 of these. So, hopefully, it will be enough. And then I've got some of these super glues. So, you get like a pack. I've already took one out. And you get it for like, how many do you get? You get like 7 in the pack for £1. And yeah, so this is gonna be my first thing to do. So I'm gonna get on with the super gluing. I'll show you what it looks like when I've got halfway through it. Okay, so I'm halfway through doing the the feathers on the lampshade. So yeah, this is what it's looking like halfway through. It's looking quite alright. But yeah, I'm kind of running out of glue a little bit, but hopefully it's enough. There's a lot of feathers everywhere. I've got feathers on myself as well. Yeah, so I'll show you what it looks like in the end. Hey everyone, so I've finished it. I'll show you what it looks like with the light on. Yeah, so that's one thing done. So I'll show you the next little thing that I'm gonna do in a minute. So this one is pretty easy, and I mean it is easy. So right, so I'll just get on with it. So you get one of these. Like the from Poundland, I think it's called a bride garter. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this. And do you know the plastic fish bowls you get from Poundland as well, or even if you have a glass one? But I think it's a lot more better if you just get a plastic one. At least if it falls, it's not gonna break in it. And then I got some of these fake flowers from the with the wedding stuff. £1 each. Well, they're usually £1 each actually, but I think I got them for 50p each. So yeah, there's 2 lots there. So pretty much it's gonna be like. Let me just turn the camera. So it's pretty much going to be like, you get your bowl. This is stretchy anyway, so you can stretch it. And then you just put it around it. Oh, it's been a little tiny bit stubborn. Looks like it there in the end. So make sure it's neatly on, like so. Right, like this. So yeah, and then make sure you take the tags off. make sure you spread them out, spread your flowers out properly. Usually I use wire cutters and just wire cut them out and then arrange them, but I'm not going to bother with this one. I'm just going to put them in as whatever I like. I can get it right. I should have got an extra pair, but I might pick up an extra pair tomorrow or something. But yeah, this is pretty much it. So I'm just gonna put it there, turn around, and this is what, with the my OCD's kicking in a little tiny bit. There we go. Just do that up. So yeah, so that's that sorted. Yeah, so if you like what you've seen today, then give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, let me know what you thought. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, and if you know anyone who's interested in this type of stuff, then can you share and make it go viral. So I shall see you all next time, so bye for now.